You can take the bell off for the reeling. That's what I usually do, but maybe not if you want to make sure to get your fish. Doesn't feel like anything? Any signs of anything?
Nope, not a number.
All right, well, it was worth checking. Yes.
I saw it. It definitely.
Might be just crabs. Ugh, everything's gone now. That's something. Oh, he's running that way. Oh yeah, he's... Catfish. Catfish. Sorry, Jody. Can you give me a little line? There's the guy. Is this a channel cat? Or just... Okay, okay. Wow. All right. Hudson River catfish. So wait, did he eat the earthworm or the... No, I think he ate the clam. It's not a bad fish. It's more than it's like 2 pounds, maybe 1.75 pounds. I mean, I'm not sure.
What do you think?
Help me with, I don't know, help me? All right. Yeah, I got the hook out. I'm contemplating. You wouldn't keep it?
You can keep it. They're good eating. You cut them off here.
Yeah.
And then you skin it. There's no scales on it.
Right.
And you get like 2 fillets. Yeah, they're good eating.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm just thinking Hudson River, but you know, as long as you're not eating too much of it.
The only thing you can't eat is eels.
Yeah. Okay.
Eels are the only thing you can't eat.
Legal this to take?
Yeah. Catfish. Yeah.
There's no size limit or anything.
No.
There's not even like how many per day or.
No, there's not.
Do you know if that's a channel cat or like what kind of catfish this is? Oh, it might be flathead, right?
Could be, yeah.
Maybe? Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah. You know, I have those. I just didn't think to bring them today.
And then I always bring these to get the cook.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, guys. So we caught a catfish. I'll have to look up what kind this is. It's not bad. It's actually maybe almost 2 pounds. I think it might be a flathead. I'm here with my friend Jody. He's actually is a fisherman himself, not just humoring me to come out here. I just totally screwed up his line. Is it all fixed up now? We're good? All right, sorry about that. All in the, common interest. Yeah. Oh, I gotta tighten my bail. I mean my drag. Oh, damn. This feels a little too big for this rod. What do we got? Another catfish. And that was on the clam for sure. Huh? Yeah, same kind. All right, well, I think I'll have a little catfish catfish fry. There we go. And then this'll. It's not. It's actually. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, this is easy. Got it. Thank you. Do you mind if I have a stringer down there?
Yeah, okay.
I'll just bring this down.
Yeah, they work good.
Yeah, thanks.
I use them for lake trout a lot, because lake trout got big teeth.
Oh yeah. I mean, even these guys, like, the last one just like tore up my thumb. I think these might be channel cat, actually. Maybe this one's a different kind. So there's been these clams I bought a while ago, actually when I fished for sea robin, that have been terrorizing my fridge and my freezer for like the better part of a month. My wife actually had to vacuum pack them, and even then they still reeked. Stunk everything up, but I de-thawed them and brought them out here, and that's what's apparently what these guys like. So just gonna keep going here. Bring this guy down to my stringer. Since I don't have any ice right now to put them on, I'm just keeping them alive. What's going on here? Gotta tighten my drag here. You want this one? You sure? I was just gonna say, we gotta get you the next one. Ooh, this one's big. Might be the biggest. Now, maybe we should borrow that. Ah, geez. No, I think we got him. Damn it! I was just about to ask for the net. Yeah, it was a big one. No, I know. It was my bad. I thought, I was just like, you know what?
What do you use them for bait?
Clams.
Oh, they're hitting that.
Yes.
Ah, next time.
Next time. Next time.
Don't give them slack. That's all. That's you. So
No, I did. He didn't have slack. I was trying to just lift this up, and too much weight. In fact, look. Oh no, I thought the hook popped off. No, it's still all there.
Yeah, still there. Ah, next time.
Next time. Hey, I got pretty lucky today, so I can't complain about that. That's okay. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't have brought that one home. That's too much meat, you know? Okay guys, we're back here with our catfish from the Hudson River. I thought to this time, instead of just doing like a sped up version of my filleting and a musical montage, I might show you how I'm going to try to fillet them. I'm going to do them the same way that I did the sea robins. I actually learned myself from a YouTube video, and it worked out pretty well. So, I always like to wear my gloves. Not so much because I'm working with a knife, but because these fish are very slippery, especially catfish. It's just good to have something to hold on to. So, here's what I did with the sea robins. I cut, don't want to cut in too far there. Right along the spine. Lose too much good meat there. I'll get in a little bit because, well, you'll see. There we go. Okay, so now we're up to about the head. We're going to break the spine. This is kind of going to take some heft here, a little power. Ooh, that's a powerful spine. Let's go. Oh. Alright, let's see if this works. So, just crack the head off. The spine is broken. Now I'm going to try to get in there and peel. Skin, hoping the skin peels right off. Well, let's get some guts out first. Whoop. Okay, it's not going to work like the sea robin. Okay, so it doesn't come off right off like a sea robin, but hopefully these pliers will do the trick. Oh yeah. More than one way to skin a cat, as I say. Alright, well, I got one halfway decent fillet out of that whole debacle. Okay folks, I'm here in the kitchen. We're going to do something reminiscent of something I've done before with crappie. We have our somewhat boneless catfish fillets right here and chunks. I patted the water off of them. I've been rinsing them and whatnot. I'm going to put them in a little egg wash, and then we're going to get some, this is cornmeal, maybe some chili powder, how about some paprika, maybe a little sweet ginger garlic, Asian spice mix, why not, a little allspice, just a little bit. Probably too much. Get some ghost pepper action in there. Here's what I was looking for before. We got garlic powder and onion powder. Get all those flavors mixed together here. Now we're going to these little fishes their egg wash. Just heating up some olive oil. We've got our chunks ready to go. Alright, we've got some pretty hot oil here. Let's do this. It's our biggest piece of catfish. And we have a lot of these little guys. Okay, so everything's on. I'm actually going to cover it. Just retain the heat a little more. And let you know when it's done. Okay guys, here's the finished product. This is, I don't know, I guess we're calling this blackened catfish, but not too blackened. This is some homemade mayonnaise with sriracha sauce. And if that is no good, I found little Wendy's sauce of some kind, just in case. So yes, Hudson River catfish. I think we'll be okay, but if not, I've decided I'm going to do my first live stream from the toilet when things go south this evening. But hopefully we're going to be okay. And just take a little chunk here. Now some of this will have bones because I'm still a pretty bad filleter, but I think it'll be okay. Of course there's a bug flying around. Okay, ready? It's good. I think I want a more substantial chunk there. I think I got more like breading and eggy stuff on this than anything. Yeah, it's got a kind of, it's a meaty texture. It's a little more like full-bodied than a lot of fish. Not particularly flaky. But it's got like it's a little. I don't want to say gamier because that has like a negative connotation. But it's just a more solid meat. First of all, the breading's great, and so is this mayonnaise sauce I made. Yeah, it's very, very good, very decent. As long as I don't get sick. Hudson River catfish, good stuff. Well, I'm gonna keep enjoying this, and my wife is gonna join me in a second. So on that note, please like and subscribe. Let me know if you'd like to see a couple more catch and cook videos. I'm still working on the filleting, but I enjoy doing them. Did I say like and subscribe?
Yes.
Fish like there's no tomorrow.